Welcome! In this video, we demonstrate how to install our product vECU Builder. But before we begin, let me draw your attention to the product website where you will find some basic information about the product and a contact form. The link is in the description. So, let's begin with the installation. To proceed, click Next. Then, accept the end-user license agreement and the safety advice. Besides the standard manual installation, the tool also supports a silent installation for your CI/CD use case. Now the installation succeeded, and finally you must install some additional software. CMake is required, and we recommend the text editor Notepad. The links in the dialog will take you directly to the download section of the respective tools. Click Finish, and you're ready to use vECU Builder. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.